Hi there everyone, Mr. McCarthy here, just giving you a brief tutorial on the new assignment that I've given out to work in what's called the frame modules. The frame modules, within those are professional development activities. So the first assignment that we're actually going to work on is how to create, set, and monitor goals. So let's get right to it. So I am actually here on my screen logged in as a student. So let's see how you can actually get to the frame module. So I'm logged in as a PM student. As you can see, here's the daily attendance, the folders that you're used to seeing. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see a folder called Frame Modules. Okay, so we'll open up that folder, and the very first one we're going to be working out of is Frame 1.1, Career Rationale and Goal Setting. So we'll open those up, and the nice thing is, everything in terms of instructions are right here for you to do. You'll go and look into the introduction. Tells you everything you're going to learn from level 1, which is right now is the career rationale and goal setting. And you can kind of look ahead on what you'll be working on actually all the way through as a senior. So whether you're a first year student, second year, and eventually a third year, you'll keep working through these modules, which is really going to help you with your professional skills. We teach you everything you need to learn here in terms of the career, but to actually give you the skills you need to get into that career, these activities and modules are really helpful. So going through there, the next thing you would do is you would go to the next section. So we'll go back to the module again. And as I said, you'll see the instructions. So you're going to read the About Me, which is what we're looking at now. Then you're going to, you're going to look at a few articles and a few videos. One article and video is about actually choosing a career. And for those of you that have already done the first level of assignment of doing a career path exploration project, you've already got half the work done, which is great. So a lot of that you can just cut and paste into this assignment. The second thing you're going to do is actually learn how to do goals, which are called SMART goals. These are actual goals that you can set for yourself and actually measure to actually be able to attain them. And you're going to learn how to do that. And then the last thing you're going to do is there's a PDF document that you're going to actually, it's very important that you download it to your computer first, then fill it out, and then you're going to upload it to what you're going to be creating. You're actually going to be creating a portfolio in Schoology. Now, I've had all of the students in our program create web portfolios. You have to build your own website to promote your brand, to get into schools and career paths and for networking. But you're actually going to create a second portfolio of all your work for Schoology, and you're going to upload artifacts like pictures, your favorite projects, work that you're proud of, and you'll keep it in that portfolio while you're here at Central Monco. So you're going to fill out that document and then re-upload it into your portfolio, and then you'll get graded on it. So we can actually jump to this next page here with choosing a career. You'll actually see here, here's your videos you're going to watch, the field of study, the questions. There's this great thing called the Occupational Handbook that will show you the different career paths and things. But like I said, it's related to the things that we've already worked on. But the very last thing that you're going to do, and let me move this down here real quick. So at the end, you actually have to download this document. And by doing that, you're going to go to the career rationale and goal setting, and you'll see this PDF document. This is the important part. So you're just going to click on it, and you'll see it will download directly to your desktop. Once you click and open that file, you'll see this 2-page document: name, program, what career have you chosen to pursue, why did you choose it? And once again, like I said, if you've done that first project for the career path, a lot of this stuff is cut and paste from what you've already done from your presentation. Okay, and once you fill this out, you're going to go in here and do a short-term goal, and then you're going to do a long-term goal. Okay, but once you have all that filled out, you're going to have to save this and then upload it to your portfolio. Well, how do you start and get to your portfolio? You're going to click on your name, and you'll see this arrow. If you click on the arrow, and you're going to go to what's called your profile. Once you go to your profile, you're going to actually click on and see the word portfolios. So you see portfolio, you're actually going to go in and click on the new portfolio button. So once you do that, you'll actually see this new portfolio start to build where you can then go in and put your work in. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. It hangs there for a minute. I've noticed that kind of weird little inconsistency with it, but if I click on portfolios again, you'll see that it still starts to load. Sometimes I go in and jump back to it again, but it does take a little bit of time. And as you can see, here we go. Here's your untitled portfolio. So really, if you just click and hit new portfolio and you wait long enough, it should be fine. But if it's more than 30 seconds, you might want to hit refresh or click on the portfolio button. But just give it enough time to create the actual portfolio. So you can actually see the 3 dots here where you can share, delete, export it out. Not that you have anything yet to export out, but you can click here and give it a title. And you can just call it video sound portfolio. Doesn't really matter, but something to get you started. And then really, here's your items, and you can submit things, you can upload them. So you can hit File, and I would go to my desktop, for example. Actually, I'll go to the Downloads folder where I actually downloaded that file that is given to us. Let's see here, date added. So if I go, here it is. It's that frame career document, and you hit open and then check it out. Well, it'll upload it once it's filled out. But it should be easy enough to be able to do that. You upload your submission and then you're good to go. If you have any type of problems with the submissions and you notice that there's some sort of issue, please let me know ahead of time. As you can see, I just tried to hit and reload it again and it came right up. So maybe I didn't give it enough time. And then once you go in, you'll be able to click on it and it shows you that frame document. Obviously it's blank because we didn't fill it out yet. So simple enough. You're going to go into frame in Schoology. Just read through everything. It's very detailed, has all the explanations and instructions that you need. You're going to download that PDF document, fill it out, then you're going to upload it to your Schoology page by going into your name, clicking on profile, okay? And then you'll see portfolio. You're going to create a new portfolio and you go from there. But if you need any help, please feel free to reach out to me. But good luck, set some good goals, and I will talk to you soon.